2111 Part 1, Eve. To the region that opening is not at absurdly. Yuche has not diverged abyss dust of duplicate body, but continues the line to the front. There is foxy deep place. Where you must go to, Li Suo to make noise suddenly, bring not to have the vigilance of concealing. Yuche visual the front even more profound abyss dust, the underfoot has not had the stagnation, should go to the deep place to have a look. Li Suo silent little, does not determine saying, could it be that you are think? Right, is such that you think. Yuche lifts the hand, be with smile on the face, manner calm seems like narrating a common minor matter. Was the time tries a lower control to drive a horse divine pinnacle realm abyssal beast. Yuche these years control the limit of controlling to abyssal beast. Continue from the divine extinction realm initial stage advancement to divine extinction realm late stage, altogether also only used less than 4 years, the growth quick may be called terrifying. But also always limits in the divine extinction realm category. As for abyss god Qilin, then has not extinguished accidental surprise that the Qilin will completely derives completely. You have deliberately been suppressing realm. By your current condition, encountering any god abyssal beast is extremely dangerous. Li Suo advises against, although her dissuading has never become effective to Yuche. Danger is insufficient but actually, Yuche said superficially, although I do not have the big confidence to control to drive a horse divine pinnacle realm abyssal beast, but there is an enough assurance to make them not release the destruction instinct to me. After all, I will be the sovereign of Foxy. Li Suo does not feel relieved saying, that's all that you proclaim. Foxy abyssal beast had not acknowledged that therefore cannot treat it lightly. Uddharan chin ... is unimportant. Yuche was punctured by Li Suo this saying. The vision became dark several points. Small creation god of life, dares to question this sovereign prestige energy unexpectedly. You are waiting, immediately the sovereign will make you see how divine pinnacle realm abyssal beast is gives up in the sovereign under the hand subordinate. Li Suo, after 6 double hour, Yuche dirty runs out from the deep pool fog, then sits in the ground big mouth gasps for breath, quite a while catches one's breath reluctantly. If can control to drive a horse divine pinnacle realm abyssal beast, to the Yuche's boost without doubt huge incomparable. But, Yuche's body-facing power of divine pinnacle realm, finally he is extremely frail. Even if has out of control slightly, to present him, is very possible is the total destruction. Li Suo comes, world purest light divine power duplicate, making Yuche such as wash Shenquan, the wound of whole body heals at the visible speed, the hair that even he breaks grew come out. If you insist on wanting to attempt again, takes first ancestor god Qilin is good. The Li Suo persuasion said. This saying falls into the fog sovereign ear, was to him, endless prestige can simply and previously the taunt of haughty word. His double pupil is cold, said lightly, had to misplace that's all a moment ago slightly. Most 1 month, before visiting Pure Land, I at least successfully controlled to drive a horse surely. Paused several breaths, his voiced sound imposing manner does not reduce, God extremely abyssal beast. Li Suo thinks, the choice gives the comfort, and will succeed. Very wise has not continued in this topic. Yuche sits body, with appearance of vermilion sword glow, before heaven smiting devil slayer sword had put in the body, by him. With duplicate of his another hand, another, heaven smiting devil slayer sword, appears, with a previous tight-fitting, sword light coincides or emerge. Exactly the same spacious sword blade. From the sword point, sword body is completely again exactly the same as circle bead of sword hilt. They are releasing almost the non-distinctive vermilion sword glow, and carries vague sacred aura. At least, from the outward appearance and sword breath, is very difficult to distinguish come out them. Naturally, Yuche flickers is then distinguishable. When sword might erupts, both are difference of heaven and earth. Look steadily indifferently to heaven smiting devil slayer sword, for a long time, the Yuche brow moves suddenly, right the palm grasps the sword, to another, heaven smiting devil slayer sword, suddenly under bang. In the power fulmination sound brings to flicker epicenter the sound of break, under heaven smiting sword, the vermilion sword blade comes to break, the wine in the mud air opens the close fissure, when falls to the ground, is dispersing innumerable bright red debris. seals into the heaven-smiting sword breath, and bright saint breath is completely also defeated and dispersed. Li Suo looks askance, very surprised in Yu Che's this action. Your to cast the sword, consumption massive mental effort seek for bright red abyss crystal, is contaminated and seals for its solid heaven-smiting sword breath enough 2 years. The strength of light also poured into several hundred times, has the fruit of today finally, why destroys it unexpectedly suddenly? Yu Che said, I consume massive thoughts to simulate a contour, or in heaven-smiting sword completely similar sword, for does not leave behind the flaw. But this period of time I considered repeatedly, its existence instead may become another bigger flaw. Under balance, I thought that I should choose another way. Receives heaven-smiting devil slayer sword, eliminates bright red debris everywhere again, he said to Li Suo in a low voice, I prepare to look for a good time, it projection. Li Suo faintly sighed. He every day is the so endless consideration, when will not have to burst seriously exhaustedly. Heaven breaker divine country, 7 stars folds day. The star formation sparkle, is circling endless sword light. But these sword light, each is to all come from Hua Kengying, each is brutal trial. If cannot become aware its sword intent, melts its sword might, even if defect its one, never may break through the formation. At the present, sword light that this huge sword formation releases, not less than myriad stars simultaneous uniform shining, have reflected a bright light for entire heaven breaker divine country sky. Finally, last sword light also shining gets up unexpectedly, making huge star formation not have one to lack again secretly. Among next instant, myriad swords sounds together, entire huge star formation hangs upside down, sky over non-stop flies. Then surround circles, such as many things around a center, screen a young girl form in the star formation center. The young girls lift the pupil, that moment beautiful grace and talent unexpectedly was instantaneously dim myriad sword light. Jade sword between her hands also pasted compared with dazzling bright divine light, the sword was previously referring to sharp, all sword light smooth inclines in star formation, non-stop flew remote spatial above Hua Kengying. The Hua Kengying physique has not moved, the jade handles gently strokes, sword like the obedient stagnation before her body, then such as the snow and ice of ablation slowly is immediately pale, until clears completely, if has not a true a flickering passing dream magnificent. Aunt, the form of young girl has thrown, such as staggers the Xian jade butterfly to invest in her bosom, I quite think you. Hua Kengying gathers together the jade back of young girl lightly, in the hearts fluctuates, between lips gently says, you built unexpectedly folded the day third sword, this time, Abyss Sovereign will also exclaim in surprise for you surely. The young girls lift the pupil in her bosoms, is not joyful because of the praise of aunt, but especially towering Seiwei, elder brother Yu is he now good, encounters the setback or humiliation in weaving dream divine country. However breaks open the second words after star formation, she then already so impatient. Hua Kengying this is also thinking, 3 years of breaking through the formation of practices, will let her sword heart more tenacious congealing reality surely, gradually far 10,000 Nianju sentiment. But the fact, obviously is actually not true. He is very good, compared with being better that also you imagine. Moreover, he also found oneself fresh body passing in home to return. The Hua Kengying former half a word words made in her pupil ample worry dissipate all of a sudden most probably, the latter half a word words made her pupil die surprisedly, elder brother Yu, lives the body passing. Your father God past bumping into, perhaps as the destiny directs. Hua Kengying said, after Yu Che arrives at Weaving Dream Divine Country, discovered that his real status, unexpectedly is Weaving Dream God Son Meng Jin knew that the past years vanished. Hua Keli is obviously startled, for a while is unable to get back one's composure. This matter listens for the first time, although as especially strange, is dreamless God venerate confirmed, is accurate without doubt. Hua Kengying tranquil Seiwei, moreover, when he in godship examines, appears, is such as your common perfect godship, therefore shook 6 big divine country. These 3 years in your, his name is resounds through this world with concentration, no one does not know. In Weaving Dream Divine Country, not only will not receive any humiliation, whom he wants to humiliate then actually to humiliate anyone. Therefore, you can release all worry. The description of Hua Kengying is brief, was makes Hua Keli respond some little time, her some say way of staring blankly, in other words, elder brother Yung he now is weaving dream God's son. Hua Kengying does not lose the sigh the same way, before you know his not 10-year-old memories, thus as unable to recall is in itself Meng Jianyung, and his too heavy master and, the word that even if in front of dreamless God venerate, does not make concessions said that before restoring memory, does not discard Yung Che, the name, is not also willing to become weaving dream God's son. Hua Kengying, these words have not made Hua Keli reveal slight surprise, she instead smiles, beautiful eyes flood as moving the blurred mist, elder brother Yung he is such person, is the heavy sentiment, is intelligent as foolish, the name of God's son others are unable to expect, cannot knock his sincere heart by far. But, he although now non-weaving dream God's son, perfect Godship that but has by him, as well as dreamless God venerate to the favorite who he not minces, in the world in the eyes, he is as not. Moreover, does not know that Yu Che used what method. The news as far as I know, is to Meng Jianxi that Yu Che alerts and is hostile to extremely, now is very docile to him, even already more than once spoke frankly to own maternal clan, hopes for the Yu Che future boost. Beautiful eyes of young girl, already one beautiful endless star see, joyful flaming star, proud resplendent star, excited tears star, ample all her souls is each is actually reflecting the name of Yu Che. And, therefore, between I and elder brother Yung, An, Hua Kengying patted a shoulder of young girl, she is feeling her endless joy, but so joyful and inexplicable makes her somewhat loved dearly, among you hindrance of status does not exist. Engagement that without abyss sovereign bestows, with as the God venerate children, with his perfect Godship, your unions will not lead to any question and controversy. The biggest hindrance remains, but, has compared the 3 years ago good too many is too many. Your father God to the Yu Che's acceptance is by far in the past. In the 3 years, he has been paying attention to Yu Che in the Weaving Dream Divine Country News but also once went to visit specially. Hua Keli fine eyebrows war page, Father God he is this, always liked saying that very heavy words, actually the heart was softest. During the chuckles, she is the flying under, I first look at Father God, such long has not seen him for the first time, is really good to think. Hua Kengying has not gone along with her, she sees the form that Hua Keli goes far away silently, for a while as somewhat startled crazily. She has believed, Sword Heart cannot flee the capital, wants Sword Path Peak, must eliminate all desires and unnecessary emotion. The rapidness of her Sword Path advancement exceeds Hua Fachan, exceeds ancestor from generation to generation, until visiting the summit of present age, directing divine emissary to exclaim in surprise that, this makes, brutal, sword path that she even more believes and strengthens to grasp. Hua Kengying in the eyes Hua Keli is true freak, all her natural talent, must above oneself, including sword path natural talent. But she clear incomparable detection, radical transformation of her sword path cultivation base, after meeting Yu Che. Hua Keli isolated the celestial sword heart that all different read under her guidance, deeply under inscribed the Yu Che's shadow, the 1,000 years were difficult the little advance a booklet day of sword, her 3 years became aware 3 swords continually. Therefore, abandons all desires with brutal sword path of sentiment. Could it be that unexpectedly is wrong? Ha ha, congratulates Keli to break 8th largest star formation. Let's us as really greatly is. A Keli. 7 big sword venerable completely but 2, does not have an absence, has not actually seen the Hua Keli form. They were clear compared with anybody, is supposed 8th tier round star formation that 2 mean anything by Hua Kengying personally. Hua Kengying said, all return to the sword pavilion standby, God venerate should announce the tour of this time pure land in the present. Kengying, Dubhe sword venerable caresses white beard, has the profound meaning to say greatly, the tour of this pure land, your go together. After several breaths, Hua Kengying light response, yes. Star Moon Divine Country, not absurd brother, seriously is you. Checks the star half step to arrive at the plate not absurdly front, high and low is taking a look at him, complex of look difficult word. Plate not only lost actually the name of God's son absurdly, followed but 2 royal mother also left the world, Father God detested and rejected, the person of even including loving was also abolished and been killed. Abandons the child from COD Owl Butterfly, God's Son to COD Owl Butterfly, his destiny fluctuating, annotated to the world what fulfill hell clearly from the heaven. At this moment the present plate is not absurd, which also least bit past high-spiritedness, whole person aura sang secretly drearily. Don't set the God's Son impressive and dignified manner, even including his coat, full as ruined with the blood stain, such as just went out from the dark and bloody mire. Pupil was also not that arrogant they bent down the world in the past the black star but was one piece gloomy dim, was difficult to distinguish clearly the light the pollution. Checks in the star hearts a sigh, even if loses the name of God's Son, when the position is still far higher than other imperial prince, he actually reduces unexpectedly hence. In knowing him once went to fallen Dream Valley, after coming to Foxy, Owl Butterfly divine country even openly declared to his rejection. Regardless of the life and death, will never seek. He is not willing to bow to new life God's Son the essential cause of this, is not willing to release the matter of royal mother, so the personality, or stupidity, either may preferring death to humiliation of to praise. But on result, obviously hurrying forward. The plate does not smile absurdly. I now am only by the person of abandoning, was far from the qualifications of star God's Son treating as an equal. Star God's Son is also willing to meet, has not felt grateful absurdly. Not absurd brothers were words. Checks the star to shake the head saying, pain that life takes off and lands with being incapable no use. I also once felt the meeting, this you're hoping, your mistake, no one should, therefore looks in your lowly, yourself should not. In the plate not absurd heart touchers, feels grateful, the life can become friends with star God's Son, good fortune how. Experienced the deep pull to eclipse, check the state of mind of star obviously to have the subtle change, he said directly, not absurd brother, you're this time come, must have the important matter, spoke frankly can. Good, I no longer am also polite. The plate did not say absurdly. I hope that can accompany star moon divine country, goes to the pure land genuine sovereign. Checks the star to look surprisedly, to knit the brows to shake the head, sorry, this matter I am unable to help you. Not the absurd brother, believes that you should be clear, the tour of this time pure land, the significance was far from any time may compare in the past. But various divine country having an audience with most only may 100 people. Major star palaces, semicircular protective walls outside the main city gate to compete for this only 100 people of position, had organized several quite large competition wars. If takes here, too is unfair for star moon disciple that it fights hand to hand, Owl Butterfly divine country must look askance because of this matter, makes the unpredictable recollections, if therefore makes both countries make trouble, even as only the slightly crack is the crime. Checks the word of principal star according to all firmly, plate slowly nodded, on the face the color of losing, as if then has not held the hope absurdly from the beginning. Star God's Son said as really, was I have considered shallowly, said so cross the request unexpectedly. Cannot help one another, really sorry. Checks the star again apology. Not absurd brother, if insists on wanting to enter pure land, may seek his law in addition. Also or, he looked at a plate as not absurd, said, with all due respect, your thought so, does not seem firm. The plate did not self-ridicule that absurdly smiles, the star God's Son intelligent eyes like the torch, things have gotten to this point, I may also speak frankly all the language. The tour of this pure land, I do not hold to hope, but to comply with the meaning of Fog Sovereign. Checking the star whole person was stiff, then said with completely the indisputable tonality, you said. Fog Sovereign, yes, the plate did not say absurdly. Confidently, 3 years ago, I completely discouraged, once has thought the waste heart shuns the world, sinks the dormancy in fallen Dream Valley. But weaving dream divine country or worries my status, after I go off, not my sinking dream, but sends out by profound arc, when I wake up, has been in fog sea. He recalls with deep feeling saying, is open about the fact star God's Son, I can get rid lose hope, heavy labor, in world, is fog sovereign bestows. I diving body fog sea, then to repay the fog sovereign benevolence in the 3 years. To get rid of the heart deep pool truly, needs the straight center of area deep pool. My this time wants toward pure land, then because of fog sovereign this word. At this point, he steps back, then no longer thank you for your hospitality star God's Son, did not say goodbye absurdly. When he turns around, behind remembers to check star obvious golden by several points voiced sound suddenly. Wait, the plate does not stop the footsteps that do not take truly absurdly. Checks the star complexion to sink. You will not know the opposition of Fog Sovereign and Pure Land, actually so mentioning recklessly Fog Sovereign before me. It seems like that you knew me once to accept the Fog Sovereign kindness. The plate not absurd facial expression is subtle, says nothing pro or con. But is silent, had replied. You in threatening me, check star voiced sound coldly suddenly under. No, plate does not smile absurdly. Divulged you once to withstand the Fog Sovereign kindness, or may create the difficulty to you, but did not have the advantage to me. I am helping you return the Fog Sovereign benevolence. 2111 Part 2, Eve. Believes that crowd such as you, has a deficit, two characters to let you throughout such as the stem in the heart, let alone such person, such big benevolence. Checking the star complexion is cold and still, has not had for a long time the spoken language. The plate not absurd look is invariable, voiced sound is still light, naturally, how this matter should choose, all in star God's zone. Although I no longer am COD owl butterfly God's zone, but could not have made the dirt to harm the matter of old friend, star God's zone completely may feel relieved. Checks the star vision straight stares at the plate is not absurd, suddenly said, you changed. The plate does not return by the similar vision absurdly, person changes. Unvariable, can only be because does not need to change. Checks the star lip angle to shiver, smiled unexpectedly, I want to know suddenly, your once was left no ground the person of rejection, actually wants to go to Pure Land to make anything to try above Pure Land that Abyss Sovereign complained tearfully you to encounter to show that unfairly being mistaken of your father god or made your father god not quit purely. The plate is not absurd, therefore, I comply to lead you to go together Pure Land. Checks the star to say slowly, as one of the star moon god's own, he has certainly qualifications so, you have correct, I who incomparably a few words saying most tire, then owes people the benevolence. But, does not need to remind. The plate is not before he said absurdly, we have never seen Fog Sovereign, relations that has no. He lifts the pupil, looks to the Pure Land direction. Dark blood in body in manic surges, actually not overflows like dark aura. The foxy deep place, Yuche sets out slowly, when he opens the eye, in the pupil shines through the scary different glow. Sitting in meditation of his several days, not for congealing profound breakthrough, but runs counter, will move restlessly to want broken profound energy to depress once again. Moreover the second ruling incomparable. Ruthless certainly, if trades to be others, restrains by force so the degree, fear that will damage profound wane again. By the present, Li Suo is disinclined to ask suppressed realm why again he has so insisted on. In the weaving dream divine country 3 years, Yuche from divine lord realm 3rd level grows to divine lord realm 4th level, altogether only has a promotion of small realm. Perfect godship, in addition weaving dream divine country top resources pile penetrating. Meant genuine advancement so in the world in the eyes, although as God's own category, but is well below with for perfect godship heaven breaker God's daughter Huakeli. However, pause is also the reasonable limit. But, only some Li Suo know, he is Yuche, cannot beyond the person by the theory of common sense judgment. Finally must see that person. Yuche is talking to oneself in a soft voice. Li Suo said, Ni Shan had once reminded you specially. May not premature as close to him, he will easily know your body evil god inheritance. I had not forgotten. Yuche accordingly, then spoke somewhat strange words, he is in this world's strength most powerful existence, if he wants to disappear present me, perhaps only needs snap fingers the strength. But, from some perspective, he possibly is instead easiest to deal with the person. Uddharan Chinna ... Uddharan Chinna. Li Suo is unable to understand. This time with his meeting, will decide when I will detonate the abyss storm. Yuche lightly put out a breath, hopes smoothly all. Hopes Abyss Sovereign all, extremely will all not be separated from oneself guess and estimate, especially his personality, his obsession. We hope that is unable to contact, does not have the opportunity lays down seed, eternal night divine country on such as rumor generally throughout stagnant water, does not have the mighty waves. Hopes. #2112, Brahma Sound. Yu Che goes out of the cultivation space, saw that Meng Kongchen is crossing the hands behind the back to stand, does not know how long had waited for his advancement. How Meng Kongchen turns around, very optional segue. Still permissible. Yu Che returns respectfully said, God venerate comes, this is the period of Pure Land is near. It is not anxious, Pure Land cannot step into prematurely, 3 days later starts to be able. Meng Kongchen said with a laugh, before that there is an incident, I must remind in you alone. Yu Che face sincere, God venerate please say. Meng Kongchen has not deliberately pulled down voiced sound, but beyond 3.3.13 meter, no one may hear keen. You just came back that time, once had demonstrated primordial flame crystal. After that I pass on assigned life 9 great dream halls, strict order anybody cannot existence divulging of primordial flame crystal. In Yu Che heart slightly surprised, said looking pensive, is it possible that? To him, primordial flame crystal is only he in one of various variant abyss crystal forks he seeks, before that he does not even know their name. Meng Kongchen nods slightly, above Pure Land, some people need it, moreover is divine emissary. In the Yu Che heart moves fiercely. If at that time, I have not blocked off the flow of news immediately, fear that was Pure Land has dispatched the person to take. What Meng Kongchen uses is, taking, rather than asking, the word of divine emissary, who can resist after all? Similarly has the graciousness in divine emissary, but big often of giving-taking has the difference face to face. The former her graciousness in weaving dream divine country, the latter, he will also smile lightly, you can result in her too Lucas Khan's, even favors. In you, will decide in the future however will have the greatest benefit. Yu Che looks the gratitude, heavily nods said, I understood, thank God venerate the pains. This need primordial flame crystal is divine emissary. Divine emissary Ling Jian, Meng Kongchen said slowly. Divine emissary Ling Jian was females of the vermilion bird divine spirit ancient times 3 big flame god, but the female of she not pure vermilion bird. Her father as vermilion bird divine spirit, mother Wily the unseen bird, thus conquers the fires, thunder, wind 3 elemental divine power inborn, was actually also harassed by it deeply, often by wind and thunder counter chaotic. The roaring flame bites the heart. Yu Che, afterward, she primordial flame crystal, easily depressed flame of vermilion bird backlash by it occasionally. Her power is primarily the fire hardship extinguishes temporarily, naturally does not fear chaotic of wind and thunder. But the suppression of primordial flame crystal is not permanent, lost usefulness goes against hardship naturally to stage a comeback. Therefore these years, divine emissary Ling Jian has been looking everywhere primordial flame crystal, its crystal color and aura also incomparably detailed existence informed and during the record in various types, was therefore, although has almost seen primordial flame crystal from no one, can actually know mostly. Meng Kongchen not non-inductive side. That primordial flame crystal of past years on such as flickered the canna flower, after that did not have the news of second primordial flame crystal present world. But this bestowed by heaven chance. You must grasp surely firmly grasp. Regarding vermilion bird 2 characters, Yu Che compared with sensitive many of Meng Kongchen imagination. Primordial 3 big fire attribute are supreme. Yu Che had once contacted Phoenix and Golden Crow spirit, and by their many kindness, actually can never touch vermilion bird 2 loose, only has a carrying sustaining thin bloodline and incomplete divine art flame god realm vermilion bird sect. According to the ancient times record of God realm, vermilion bird was 3 big flame attribute supreme first flame god of extinction. But of divine emissary Ling Jian Pure Land 4 divine emissary, unexpectedly are the female of vermilion bird, in other words, vermilion bird lineage vein actually never become extinct, but has existed in abyss. The Yu Che body receives phoenix fire and golden crow fire, is better than divine emissary Ling Jian very much clearly, why body will present the element unexpectedly counter chaotically. In the past, Golden Crow spirit when granting his Golden Crow inherited, strong must strip to eliminate his body or phoenix bloodline completely. Because this involves the primordial flame god dignity, as the supremeness of flame, how to accommodate the coexistence, the strength of other idol talk elements with other divine flame. Also only has his first ancestor sacred body, can make world all power in his within the body docile. This aspect, That moment of divine emissary Ling Xian birth, being doomed her life was then beset by disasters. Hows for must see the divine emissary Ling Xian. The Meng Qingchen happy expression is ambiguous. You have Kaylee that girl must see right in front of one divine emissary Ling Xian to be much easier than anybody. 6 big divine country no one do not know. Divine emissary Ling Xian most likes is Hua Kaylee. That pink cloud sea of flowers in Hua Kaylee Institute, our divine emissary Ling Xian delivers. Good. Yu Che also returns to smile. Such chance, I will grasp surely well. He. This I was not worried actually. You can make clear, cough. Your aunt looks askance to wait to you. Divine emissary Ling Xian will decide will also like you. Over the following several days, your recuperation, along with will then go to a Pure Land view for the father well. He turns around, then suddenly sigh with emotion say, Wei, you and Janshi can be so together, I am very gratified. Said honestly, a few years ago, in my dream the worry, all was the weaving dream future, now, under my knee can have your 2 brothers, to think of the dream, all felt grateful with not regrets. Therefore, I am biggest to ask now, is you can be safe and sound throughout, did not have once disaster again, in addition, the advancement was also good, the chance was also good, all in flower for brocade bright. His leaning pupil, nonchalant slanting flickered him to engrave the soul link on Yu Che little finger. He too hoped, that day that this soul link has not disrupted forever. Junior respectfully follows the God Venerate instruction. Yu Che said resolutely, asked God Venerate to feel relieved. Also I compared with must pity the life that God Venerate thought that no matter when or where, will not place oneself in the danger. Meng Qingchen nods, smiles the preparation to leave. God Venerate first please wait, Junior has a face to present as a gift. The Meng Qingchen doubts turn around, saw on the Yu Che's face to reveal the extremely rare disturbed color, but in his hand, grabbed one to hang to string together the falling decoration of scarlet, blue, yellow tricolor crystal stone. Is this? Yu Che said hastily, Master once mentioned, the sound of Brahma sound stone collision can purify the mind to wash the soul, most cultivates the person of soul beneficially. In the junior hand just several Brahma sound stone, then make this decoration, to solve sense of gratitude of junior to God Venerate, also to look at God Venerate to dislike slightly not costly. The Meng Qingchen vision moves slightly, he put out a hand to receive, is saying with a smile, you can have intention so, for the father is happy. Then, he Brahma sound stone directly is when the waist, swinging, initiates the sound of elusive happy collision. Likes for the father very much, haha. His laughed heartily, turns around to go. The dream kite follows hastily, respectful sends out the palace gate dreamless God Venerate. Kangfeng breeze has stroked, bringing the sound of another skewer of Buddhist stone collisions. Meng Qingchen too say suddenly, this Brahma sound stone such as rumor purifies the mind to wash the soul seriously generally, but few sounds, were make this venerable mood on good unexpectedly many. In the dream kite heart laughs in one's heart, between lips respectfully language, young master, if heard that God venerate this word, extremely will be certainly happy. This skewer of Brahma sound stone, the young master said the superficialness, he made very greatly very big effort actually. Oh, Meng Qingchen in the step looked back, hints her to continue. The dream kite lowers the head, during the spoken languages took several points of anxiety. Young master originally only then read Brahma sound stone, he read and needs the tricolor polymerizations, make a light perfect purifying the mind Brahma sound. In order to seek yellow, blue to color Brahma sound stone, the young master 2 years ago has dispatched the person to seek everywhere, never interrupted, until last month, finally sought last Brahma sound stone, even paid variant abyss crystal without hesitation. Meng Qingchen. The dream kite looked at Meng Qingchen one quietly, continued, God venerate possibly has not to know, the young masters to God venerate continuously gratitude and respect especially, also has very deep guilt. He once read repeatedly, oneself. Are unable to recall, Meng Jianyung, the name is unable the name of no barrier from the conscience of Father God, all that thus the deep shame does for him in you. However God venerate is to the high person, the world does not have to enter the thing of your eye. Is good because, the good food that the young master makes can result in you joyfully. Therefore, when the young master cultivates, matter that most often does, is in immersion in Chudian, moreover cannot anybody meddle slightly. Therefore, the young master is any together cakes and pastries too that God venerate makes, institute accumulated as nothing heterogeneous wholeheartedness. Uddharan chinna ... Uddharan chinna. Menkonchan stands still several breaths, this lifts the step to leave. When goes out for a long time, his raising head view clouds, the eye ground seems dim mist. Enough, he was pronouncing unstressed, so even if the life is unable to shout Father God truly, still enough. The dream kite returns to the palace, sees Yuche, tighten the footsteps to walk, quite somewhat timid say way, young master, the maid just independently decided that said words of many with God venerate about young master, if the maid made the mistake, but also asked the young master to punish. The Yuche smile said, in a God's own palace, such as non-confessed specially, may say the matter all, what wrong has. Facing is never angry, always continually a wee bit arrogance and temperament no young master, the dream kite many timid intent had 9 points to install come out continually. Resulted in Yuche this words, her smile bloomed, the courage was saying suddenly greatly, really what can say. The maid wants to ask when, the young master does prepare to favor the kite. Her beautiful eyes is graceful, is actually not willing to avoid the Yuche's vision. The Yuche smile is still light. His extend the hand comes, in the vision that in the dream kite hopes for, actually fell on her sending top, felt attached to caressing. Little girl, your life just started, but do not hobble villain body on life. The dream kite is difficult to cover disappointedly flat chun, if the young master is villain, in that this world did not have the good person. Therefore, you a little girl. The Yuche facial expression has not changed, but his eyes deep place is the dream kite forever the dark sea of impossible true understanding. The finger moves from the sending top of young girl, Yuche turns around to leave easily. Looks at his back, the dream kite sends out incomparably firm light moan, maid status is mean, certainly not extravagant demands any status, only strove for being able to take care of young master in for lifetime the body side. She knew that does not have the qualifications to admire, the long-time companion is the lifetime looks. Her whispering, God the Yuche's response, it is for a lifetime long, must easily speak not. Although the kite is small, but also the governing wind 10,000 leagues 0.5 kilometer, easily do not tie up the life. The dream kite is built on same place, for a very long time is startled crazily. The weaving dream god ship floats too empty, horror that outside releases is inspiring looking askance of entire weaving dream divine country. Menkonchan is situated in the bow, 9 great dream halls, master all, behind of everyone, is all following in its dream hall most outstanding junior. Did not say exaggeratingly, weaving dream divine country present age and next era co-figure, all accumulation in this. But looks like in Yuche, vast divine country, actually only then 100 people may enter Pure Land mean-spiritedly, this Pure Land really. The great ship soars, non-stop flies. Unsurpassed Pure Land. Yuche and Meng Jianxi stand shoulder to shoulder. The Meng Jianxi smile said, younger brother Yuan, goes home from you, this is the first time that you trod the going abroad territory. However seems like, you pour also not too many exciting feelings. Wind is faded and fallen, all sea does not have the family home, for sees all family home, therefore her downplayed the anticipation to unknown place. However Pure Land is not one of them obviously. Yuche brings to ask curiously, can God's Son she once see right in front of one abyss sovereign? Is fortunate enough one time. Mentioned abyss sovereign, Meng Jianxi flickered the respect with everyone generally conditioned. I conjecture the abyss sovereign dignity not to lose kind, has to let unsurpassed sovereign's prestige the 10,000 soul timid aura in a word world palpitate. But has an audience with, I know abyss sovereign with entirely different that I conjecture. Entirely different. Yuche displays the intense doubts. Meng Jianxi seems the scruples, but thinks, said, this word offends, abyss sovereign that but I see. I cannot feel his aura, cannot feel his dignity, even cannot feel the change of his mood completely, even if he smiles. Yuche, abyss sovereign gives my feeling, looks like the person of extra mundane drifts away in Jianxi. Meng Jianxi is speaking frankly in the hearts to the abyss sovereign straightforwardest cognition, perhaps, is abyss sovereign plaint level is too indeed high, to a sensation is unable high, cognition, realm. Relative, instead is grand divine emissary lofty is very heavy fearful, by far Father God. When younger brother Yohan facing, best prepare. Two people and body stand, without a gap talk, the manner was free, from time to smile mutually, really looked in numerous dream halls master hearts as complex. Yeah, Meng Kangji deep sigh, if Meng Jianxi has been determined not to struggle, even if he has a mind powerful still nowhere to execute. Said, has younger brother Yuan, this father god above pure land, but must raise the eyebrow greatly. Meng Jianxi this word is the sincerity, completely does not care by Meng Kongchen is heard. Meng Kongchen sets up the body bow, looks out the front, the god meter is full, was unresponsive. Yu Che said amiably, my divine lord realm cultivation base, simply has not entered anybody above pure land the qualifications of I. This goes also as the follower who only strove for broadening one's outlook. My weaving dream divine country real posture, but must look at your God's sown she. Meng Jianxi shakes the head the forced smile, perfect godship that your to look down upon your body has, as for me, difficult. Meng Kongchen looked askance suddenly, looks to eastern. Also his hand signal changes, the path of aura and flight of weaving green godship also follow to change, inclines to approach eastern. Quick! The giant profound ship that another is releasing the boundless air she appears in the line of sight. Folds the heavenly starship. Meng Jianxi said, is heaven-breaker divine country. Two profound ships approach fast, until was not indirect and in one. He, dreamless god venerate, is really skillful. Ha, the fate early becomes, approximately does not meet, what Zuchiao character. Two big god venerate approach. Ahua Fachan face with a laugh, Meng Kongchen smiles greatly has the profound meaning. The Yu Che's vision passed over gently and swiftly Hua Fachan, fell on his body side young girl body, the line of sight exuded several instantaneous absent-minded unexpectedly. The short 3 years have not seen, she actually as if experienced one bright however to transform. #2113, nameless. Tower. Two profound ships the sound of spreading emptying shakes the sea of clouds, two big god venerate and aura and god sounds are the riser's high world, but everyone only felt world peace that especially oneself are. Because of their vision and souls, seems torn strongly, is startled however by the invisible strength that definitely is unable to resist in the body of Hua Fachan nearby heaven-breaker god's daughter. Once she, was day of last month, Cloud Jiangzu. Beautiful and remote, will give Chi Hu or may touch to read. At the present she, is actually in the dream the moon, beyond the day the snow. She removed the final immaturity, performed to release once by the grace and talent that the immaturity covered, snow muscle every minute, the line of each 5 senses, like that had no time too beautiful, arrived perfectly even in the boundary of fantasy, should not for this mortal world all expectations. Her beautiful eyes, every flickers the change of pupil light, seems affecting trim world's splendid light, the vertical 1,000 stars are also dim, vertical bright moon also for it timid hidden. Stepped over pair of 10-time passages, the recast had made up mind sword heart, when she gradually has Hua Kangying chilly arrogant and remote world heavenly beauty like that, is let's unexpectedly the Yung Che vision touched, to their passing had some not third dimensions. Uddharan Chin Uddharan Chin. Is startled however for a long time Meng Jianxi to be as if awakening from a dream, hurries the dangling vision, in the mouth exudes somewhat difficult sighing sound, worthily is. Heaven-breaker god's daughter, in the past met for first time, is startled as the celestial, now is. Intelligent such as he, for a long time, cannot squeeze out the words and expressions of half sufficiently appropriate match slow unexpectedly. Hua Kelly forwards, does obeisance gracefully. Kelly has seen dreamless God venerate, long sparse regards. What God venerate, estranged. Smiling with the eyes of Meng Kongchen pair of God venerate becomes two to arrive at the excessive slit long and narrow, for the time being, shouted that the uncle is good. In the past, Meng Kongchen looked that acclaimed and admired to the Hua Kelly look completely, now has the difference greatly, from the Hua Fachan angle that is seeing own daughter completely, let in his heart uncomfortable. Yes. Dream uncle, Hua Kelly did not refuse, immediately is clever accordingly, Then also the half-step, fat jade hand holds one piece the exquisite jade inkstone forward. Kaylee hears the dream uncle too like the words, often practices writing to refine the heart, dance black ink cultivates the soul. In Kaylee hand just douse a fire that is called in the inkstone monarch, then takes it as the inkstone, offers the dream uncle, hopes that the dream uncle likes. This is Kaylee carves personally by glass cloud sword tilde. In Hua Fachan words, clearly carried the sound of clenching jaws, is really being diced cheaply this whole thing. Ah, this. Kaylee really had a mind. Meng Konchan put out a hand to receive. Solemn dreamless god venerate, was smiles unexpectedly nearly looks fierce. The so complete and mild Tau sapphire, seriously as may come by with luck, but not by searching for it, is carved again personally by Kaylee, that is the world not two priceless treasures. Meng Konchan exhausts the literary flourishes as acclaiming. He receives the Tau sapphire inkstone, both hands try to find out several in body back and forth, cannot discover enough suits with match the thing of returning salute, can only damp the awkward say way. You look at me, the trip is hurried, forgot to prepare the gift on first meeting to Kaylee unexpectedly. Kaylee, this matter blamed your dream uncle. Waited to conclude the tour of the Spear Land, the uncle decides to you prepares a big pleasant surprise. Gift on first meeting, obviously unusual spoken language and stance. The Meng Chanshi inexplicable eyebrow jumps crazily, is rapid absurd thought that will well up suddenly to disappear to wipe. Hua Kaylee's small head hangs, the happy expression is sweet, dream uncle likes well. But the dream uncle has given in Kaylee this world the best gift. Cough coughs. Hua Fachan was choked the throat by the wind, he said resolutely, dreamless god venerate, the important matter consulted. Yu Che, you also come. Yes, Yu Che approaches according to the word, just arrived at the Meng Konchan body side, the Hua Fachan palm wheels, isolates the formation instantaneous production. God venerate discussed official business, building isolated formation to be very reasonable. How Hua Fachan will unable to infer. Hua Kaylee from seeing Yu Che's at that moment, then has restrained the emotion in, but her soul fluctuating is extremely really intense, what sword heart clear soul collapses simply in a complete mess, is gradually chaotic to letting his scalp tingles. Really, isolates that flash of formation production, the Hua Kaylee immortal meter completely bursts, such as turns over to the young swallow of nest, heavily jumps into the Yu Che bosom, pair of white delicate arms hugging stubbornly in his waist, almost exhausted all strengths. Elder brother you, I am really good to think you. A language completely, has not then changed sobs. I am also. Yu Che is gathering together her jade back, lightly said. Hua Fachan back in the past body, surface black like coal. He. The emotion of young people then so straightforward warm, making one admire. Meng Konchan said with a laugh. He arrives at the Hua Fachan body side. When takes a walk, Brahma sound stone of waist touches Brahma sound that purifies the mind. Hua Fachan looks askance, has not opened the mouth, Meng Konchan nods said resolutely, worthily as brother Fachan, so that this is Yuane delivers my Brahma sound stone. Hua Fachan, oh, Hua Fachan complied with one lightly, then shot a look at tricolor Brahma sound stone of Meng Konchan waist at will. As God venerate, this thing is really continually ordinary, two characters enough not on. But as the glance that this takes advantage of opportunity, let's turning around of Meng Konchan Su, the facial expression abundant say way, this Brahma sound stone most as the benefit I and others cultivated prepared the person of soul, Yuane in order to collect this tricolor Brahma sound stone to me, but sought for 2 years, its shape, its principle, is Yuane carves personally. Often when collision, what hearing is clear spirit Brahma sound, enters the soul is actually the Yuane silent concern, so-called father and son even the heart, nothing more than such as is. Painted heart God venerate eyebrow corner horn slowly split open to heavy lines. Meng Konchan is still incessant. Brother Fachan, if covets, another day I make Yuane also make one for you, the good and evil you will be his future father-in-law. Must collect tricolor fear that is somewhat difficult, and this. Hua Fachan is driven beyond the limits of forbearance finally, turning round as a low roar. You two are not separated, we may also in this. Chatty highly improper, does not want. Hua Kaylee is tighter, almost wishes one could to rub into his chest oneself who Yu Che hugs. I, brother Fachan, this I must say you. The Menkonchan putting out a hand hindrance relays. More than 2 baby years have not seen, the sentiment is difficult too. Self-restraint is the normal matter. Said that in the past you and Tune Wan Shin met me these two juniors who each time pasted be tighter. The Hua Fachan corners of the mouth pull out, flings the sleeve fiercely, no longer spoke. That side old palace, when lays cards on the table. When Menkonchan voiced sound resounds again, the intonation is proper. The Hua Fachan sinking eyebrow, said slightly, the matter of Pure Land settles. Things to be the same with me. Menkonchan stands with him and body, bends down to observe the front desolated abyss land. This pure land if has not derived being encumbered important matter, then the straightforward solution, spoke didn't we in the 2 years various probes and suggestions to old palace, he had to feel seriously. Hua Fachan said, if others will think deeply, thus there is a psychology to prepare. But, he after all is the old palace. His character rigid like iron, staunch like fire, always goes straight there and comes straight back, most vulgar curved circles. Moreover, perhaps in his subconscious is never willing to believe that will also not accept both of us to make unexpectedly. He stopped paused for a long time, said that two characters finally, matter that betrays his friendship. Betrayal, the Menkonchan look becomes somewhat heavy. He once saying that the sentiment of men and women was hard to control self, should not tie for the short number word, let alone Hua Keli does not have the sentiment of men and women to Dian Juji, but the transformation status, takes oneself as Dian Luo, takes Meng Genyung as Dian Juji, he can achieve seriously accepts confidently, doesn't the heart have the obstruction? Cannot. But Hua Keli and Dian Juji engagement, Hua Fachan facilitated the heart pressure that, he received the past on own initiative, without doubt wants by far Menkonchan. At the appointed time, I can the one person alone go. Hua Fachan voiced sound is light, obviously has thought early, spoke frankly directly. Menkonchan said, as you like together. No, Hua Fachan actually rejects. Both of us go together, the mood of old palace will be only worse, relax, I have haggled over. The best result, is the old palace goes to Pure Land with me together, altogether asked Abyss Sovereign to renounce the engagement. The worst result, I am also prepared early. When me the matter, is once turn you. Menkonchan thinks, nods slightly, then voices serious opinions. In any event, is we are unfair to the old palace. Two people is well aware, after all open, three people of relations in any event, impossible turned round again the past years. Kelly, how many do I leave your soul star also to have? Has exhausted. Actually, my soul star has not hated to use. In other words, you have not actually thought of me. It is not. In the 3 years, although I continuously win sword formation, each sword shadow that but I wield, is reflecting your shadow, two close eyes, in the inner world also is your different appearance. Therefore, even if no soul star, I can still feel your companion. However, these soul stars, each is residing temporarily your soul, even little, I am not cruel enough to make them be separated. That too big God venerates scalps is difficult to suffer simultaneously. The toe is unconscious wish digs out. Your hand ties the arms before. Is me, that clothes belt ring that keeps. Right. This is your leaves my first, the gift, I naturally must collect well. But, such clothes belt ring, really does not match you. Snot, also felt all right to say. What, meets by chance is in signs, why must the lovesickness boils remaining years of life? I to be to bring. In body, has reminded the misdemeanor that you did initially, snot hum. I had guaranteed several hundred times, well, I guaranteed to my Kelly again one time. Two big God venerate also inspire, then long exhales. Incomparable synchronization after completing the same movement, they look at each other one understands. Dreamless God venerate, that matter of today then for the time being so. The Hua Fachan loud say way, voiced sound penetrates formation, even the people outside formation hear sufficiently clearly. Menkonchan said similarly loudly, with a painted heart God venerate to chat, suddenly sees the light. This time the meeting of Pure Land, awaits calmly twofold day lineage way in shining world sword posture. Yu Che and Hua Keli two people was also separated by the strength of two big God venerate. Formation collapse, two big God venerate with various, turn over two various ships respectively. Muddy does not attend to be reluctant to part of two juniors. Father God as really. Returns to side aunt. The Huakeli resentment does not reduce as before. Beautiful eyes shift gone far away weaving green godship repeatedly. Hua Kingying lightly said, life is very long, does not need to cling to the immersion in the temporary happiness. Between you and Yuche the resistance dies away. The one who is more important is your heart only he, his heart only you. Our exceed world is too many fickle, false sentiment, the heartless, pale sentiment, unreasoning passion actually is not possible to result in the person. When all hindrance all disappear, after you get married is tens of thousands of years keeps close, some people will not stop getting married. Two characters are extremely really happy to present Huakeli. It sifts her inner world from Huakingying between lips, is not then willing to disseminate for a very long time. She relies on Sid's side Huakingying. Both hands hold the fragrant cheek, does not know the thought of anything, the cheeks the powder, smiles gradually. Continuous intention of young girl touched Huakingying, looks at the young girl gradually crazy beautiful eyes, her lip angle is unconscious, had that the split second extremely slight preferential motion. Wan Shin, there starts, let I once had deeply worry, but, your daughter, is far away from the disaster in Ecuadorian way that you once suffered will finally. Perhaps the heaven, once having a deficit your, complete good fortune in your daughter body, she and Yuche, deciding will be well and cry, decided meeting 10,000 times to make up for you and regretting of elder brother past years. The speed of weaving green godship starts slow under. But abyss dust density, suddenly at an astonishing scope pale. Not as only abyss dust, even including element, fast becomes especially purely. Gradually, Yuche after falling into deep Yuanji, smelled the fresh feeling from the air of this world for the first time. Yuche opened the eye, setting out to look into the distance to the distant place, looks like pure land to be near. Existence of abyss dust, lets visibility continuously low of very abyss world. The Yuche line of sight institute, sees a giant black mark unexpectedly from below land vertical, puts on sky. But that piece of sky has not died gloomily, arrives purely nearly luxuriously, is nearly unreal. With approaching of weaving green godship, that Sateway black mark also fast enlargement in line of sight, from several li 0.5 kilometer to dozens li 0.5 kilometer, again 200 li 0.5 kilometer great. Also in this moment, it appears its original appearance in the Yuche's line of sight finally. That unexpectedly is a holding the sky great tower. God Son Shi, Yuche knits the brows to ask, pure land, is it possible that above this high tower? Naturally, the Meng Jianxi vision is strange, doesn't younger brother Yuan actually know? Yuche peak eyebrow, I knew for some time that unsurpassed pure land hangs above sky, thinking that therefore takes for granted as one piece floats the deity place, has not thought completely unexpectedly above a holding the sky high tower. Meng Jianxi also smiled, younger brother Yuan has not been in pure land, will have this to be normal. Then this tall tower in Abyss Sovereign wards of at the beginning of the world has existed, it is said as Abyss Sovereign builds personally, is this tower, has lifted up high pure land in sky, looks disdainfully various world. Yuche asking naturally, pure land, even if big, by the pure land energy of resources and divine emissary, wants it to float eternal spatially is still the easy matter, why will need this tower? Meng Jianxi said, younger brother Yuan whether also wants to ask what in this great tower has. Yuche nod, ha ha ha. Meng Jianxi smiled, actually these issues, I had once asked Father God, but the reply of Father God is does not know, does not need to know. After all, that is pure land. Got it, the Yuche smile nods, then no longer asked. Floated the city of emptying, don't seize God realm, lower realm that even he came may achieve. He has not thought really. Has pure land above upper air does not float spatial ling world unexpectedly, but holds up for tall tower. Without a doubt, is out of sorts extremely. This tower named Nameless Tower. Meng Jianxi looks at the distant place saying, the meaning of wording. This tall tower does not have the name. Because Abyss Sovereign never names is it. But is Abyss Sovereign the tower of building? Under Abyss Sovereign nature no one has the qualifications named personally. Therefore until now called it by Nameless Tower. Pure land is getting more and more near, sky and aura even more are also pure. Gradually, the front starts to tend to one type as if should not belong to this white vague of the world. In white glow, passes faintly screens the colors of some shining gold metal. Finally, the weaving green god ship stopped. The front, 3 brocade clothes men and bodies, but welcome dreamless god venerate, welcome the honored guest from weaving green divine country. We had waited there for some time, respectfully requested into Pure Land for the guest. 3 people bow, but the ritual, body near Pure Land, the vertical surface to divine country god venerate, is neither arrogant nor servile. Had the work, Meng Kanchi nods lightly, before treading, directs the body, venerable invited. Treads the weaving green god ship, the front, is huge light. After light, is this world is then most honored the lofty place, unsurpassed Pure Land in the world population. #2114, evil god recaled finally. Are the Pure Land god health guard? Yu Che whispered. These 3 people of body not mail armor and helmets, but as the brocade clothes, obviously non-abyss knight. Yes, Meng Jianxi passes message to respond. They do not have the power of judgment. Almost the life does not leave Pure Land, is managing Pure Land all, is inferior to Abyss Knight in the world in the eye's position. But therefore do not despise to them. Through Pure Land trial, the disqualification has not become Abyss Knight profound practitioner, can by sweep out Pure Land. But if past moral character trial, leaves beside, will also be many a choice that keeps Pure Land, becomes the Pure Land God Health Guard. Becoming the words that the Pure Land God protects, lifetime is not likely able to tread Pure Land again, was equal to give up the previous life, tied up the subsequent life. Most Pure Land gods protect all come from this, also becomes the God Health Guard, then almost no longer comes beside Pure Land. The world is also natural the cognition to be extremely few to them. The freedom, power, position is lower than Abyss Knight. But, Yu Che then knows from Huakeli there very much early, a Pure Land also small part extremely special God Health Guard. Pure Land 4 Divine Emissary personally God Health Guard of training. Under Abyss True God, the Divine Pinnacle Realm Peak, is a person of peak altogether has 11 people. The 6 in 6 big divine country, Pure Land monopolize its 5. But this Pure Land 5 big divine pinnacle realm peaks, its 1 is Abyss Knight, its 4 all are the Pure Land God Health Guard. Under Grand Divine Emissary, East is bright. Under Divine Emissary Van Dao, long winds. Under Divine Emissary Ling Xian, falling. Under Divine Emissary Liu Xiu, Yuan brave. Returning of Yu Che Sai said, above Pure Land, even if the person of most negligible, no one dares to take lightly. Even most common Pure Land God Health Guard, still not through the trial would be knight, but must obtain to participate in the qualifications of Pure Land trial. An essential condition is cultivation-based steps into divine extinction realm. In other words, cultivation base that the Pure Land God protects, does not have is lower than divine extinction realm. In either one life land, has existence of qualifications establish a sect. Solely this concept, then makes living of person thinking fair. Steps into up, the world switches over suddenly. First, Pure Land takes to the Yu Che's feeling to only have 2 characters, element Janate simple. Does not have in the cognition territory of some ruler to be magnificent and expensive. Has not been austere too lofty that the high place nature covers, the even including construction especially is as far as eyes can reach sparse, conversely finding at everywhere all kinds of green jade wooden complicated many flower spend. Temperateness that especially here all aura past, cannot seek any anxiety and anxiety from life, here A is temperate as if can map in the hearts, easily caresses all negative state of mind sufficiently. Yu Che looks all around, felt clearly everyone's breath under unconscious slow, when these young disciples' surprise exclamation, reveals being infatuated all condition. Because here is Pure Land, absolutely does not have the abyss dust world, is the abyss life endless respect, the boundary of fantasy endless yearns. Meng Jianxi long inspiration, long putting out, exudes a sigh that is difficult to damp, although is not the first arrival, but one type visits the feeling of immortal realm, absolutely not to have the abyss dust world as before. Here's that eternal Pure Land, the entire huge world does not have abyss dust, is unable to imagine simply that should be a how happy world. Survival in such world, any life does not need to be worried momentarily the attack of abyss dust, 10,000 would naturally grow, 10,000 beasts gallop freely, a numerable race derives, even including newly born baby can cry aloud recklessly. Such world, the life decides secure and who however is we are unable to imagine, will not have the fear to struggle, sorrow to cry, the even including evil thought will be comforted purely, is difficult the brutal battle with slaughtering. Yu Che is silent. Meng Jianxi continued, this Pure Land has an audience with, Abyss Sovereign might mention eternal Pure Land. Can younger brother Yuan have the anticipation? Yu Che looks to yearn, without the Abyss Dust World, who cannot yearn? Will achieve wishes. The front Meng Qingchen makes noise suddenly lightly. The place of that once fantasy, now is within reach. Perhaps, has the short dozens years again, you can base above that piece of eternal Pure Land, and will open and continues our weaving dream the world of future there, ha ha. In the Meng Qingchen big laughter, Yu Che is consistent with the Meng Jianxi facial expression, actually exudes the entirely different surging emotions. At this time, Yu Che's facial expression suddenly fierce stagnated, the footsteps also soared there stubbornly. Younger brother Yuan, how? The Meng Jianxi suspension of movement asked. Uddharan chin ... Is all right. Yu Che shakes the head, the manner is free, is just now inexplicable some consciousness to be absent-minded. Meng Jianxi understands clearly said, this is normal. Was used to existence of abyss dust, for the first time enters no abyss dust world, the cognition will be turbulent. When I entered Pure Land at the beginning of that year, several times was once absent-minded. Abyss profound practitioner treads body Pure Land, such as the fish from the bin familiar with foul and stinking mire entered to the spring of clear suddenly, indeed will have the tremendous blow to the cognition. But, regardless world or a plane level, Abyss profound practitioner in the eyes just like immortal realm sacred ground Pure Land, but is in the Yu Che cognition an ordinary side world. Just now, divine sense covered him. Among that moment, his five senses as if sank to the endless sea, when does not know the turning over to place, does not see the end. That merely one divine sense, as if has been in if been defeated world, swallows various world. That divine sense stayed the moment in his body, made Yu Che as if experience a long world. Just now, is that? Li Suo voiced sound as extremely light, brings since she has regained consciousness, sincerest and heavy worry. When asked that she had known the answer, he discovered me. Yu Che is very tranquil, regardless of tone or state of mind. You have thought seriously how to face in him. Li Suo asked that words all was worry that was hard unable to release. Don't worry. Yu Che voiced sound as light. The surging emotions are calm, says Li Suo, says itself. A stabbing pain transmits from the soul's deep place, and gradually intensifies. From evil god Nishan final to memory fragments. They, unexpectedly by him, when exists to touch triggers, disruption. But this pricking is also telling Yu Che, the emotion that this final memory fragment carries fluctuates must be better than previously. The Pure Land god protects there to lead to a garden. Arrangement Janet simple especially, no some entertaining a guest elegant thing, only then dozens profound array that uses to calm the mind, most striking, only has green wood and complicated many flower, spent as before. But, and numerous divine country noble person, actually no one dares to put out a hand to touch here flowers and trees, resembling is for fear that blasphemed. The Pure Land god protects the warm sound said, double hour still early, but also invited dreamless god venerate and everyone numerous honored guest rests in this temporarily. If the double hour, Abyss Sovereign has summoned. Moreover place of minute share Pure Land according to stern. Restricted area quite a lot, but also ask the everyone numerous honored guests do not take a walk at will. Meng Qingchen nods, otherkin divine country already too. The Pure Land god defends traditional moral principles. Currently to divine country, only has weaving dream and booklet day, guest of other four divine country and dragon clan still on the way. The Pure Land god health, guard leaves, has not kept any waiter. But, will have anybody to think that absolutely not Pure Land is disrespectful. The stabbing pain in Yu Che soul is getting more and more fierce, he takes advantage of opportunity this discomfort presently above the five senses. Meng Qingchen some detected early, the concern said, initially enters Pure Land, easy mind difficult peaceful, especially your cultivation base still to be shallow, easily so. If unendurable, with rapt attention calming the mind a while, adapts to her world order then. Good. Yu Che obeys accordingly, then very low voice say wait, if Kili came, but also asked God Venerate to conceal some. Oh, Menkonchan looks being astonished color, laughs saying, is a gruff boy, is the weak condition is not willing to reveal seriously gives the person of admiring. Relax, is self-sufficient here to defend for the father. Yu Che no longer talks too much, arrives in profound array to sit down rapidly, then launches to isolate formation, whatever own consciousness sinks to the memory fragment that peace just disrupted. The vast world is rolling up and pushing along the calamity storm. The vault of heaven in the dislocation, the land is trembling, space each can the split open innumerable fissure instantaneously, as if there is violent of innumerable lightnings crazy in the world to flee. Even if away from extremely remote era, Yu Che is before the grayish-white color that is in sole possession of that sky, distinguishing this as the God realm of absolute beginning world. Presence in God realm of absolute beginning, is the average man remote ancient calamity that the imagination is unable to draw up. The Nishan long hair hangs loose, originally is the outstanding unparalleled facial features only has the grey defeat at this moment, is proliferating the fearful scar of heavily overlap. But his coat seemed like just bailed out from the blood pond, spreads to dye fishy smell scarlet. His upper body slow action, movement of setting out difficult such as a withered old person. But immediately, he heavily kneels down, the blood of creation God drenches from his body innumerable wounds crazily falls, is contaminated absolute beginning ground of underfoot. He is elemental creation God, present age too exists high, no one can imagine, even he himself not to think, he someday will injure unexpectedly heavily hence, distressed hence, pain hence. His the front, is a gold cloth big man. His five senses, the feeling of incomparably clear sword carving. His facial features, let first that the person looks, in the hearts then clear incomparable appears, uprightly, two characters. As if before this facial features, any principle does not allow to violate, any rule does not allow to trample, any mistake does not accommodate lightly, any evil does not allow to exist. He is the head of four great creation gods, present age most supreme existence. Heaven punishing God Emperor Moi. In his hand, is grasping a spacious sword. The sword for the color of ancient bronzes, sword body as ordinary, front obtuse onless, no sword presses lofty. Vertical falls into the world of mortals, is every iron that every profound practitioner will not look askance. However, it has a startled day to startle the name of the world. Heaven punishing ancestral sword, the heads of seven big heavenly profound treasure ranks, the worlds of first sword primordial chaos, the first ancestor of primordial chaos 10,000 Shiju. He grasps ancestral sword, stands still in the world. The vertical calamity, storm more complete world, his resolute does not have gorgeously like mountain holding the sky. He looks at blood-stained all over the body elemental creation God Nishan indifferently, the facial expression from beginning to end, has not had change that even if flickers. To defeat me, you do not hesitate to use the ancestral sword prestige. Unexpectedly for the second time. Nishan voiced sound, the dry letting person is unable to believe that is the sound of creation God, this also for your heart in so-called correct path. The ancestral sword prestige, the mortal executes it, shortly will be killed violently, true God executes it, the longevity folds 90%. Vertical is better than creation God, stimulates to movement the ancestral sword prestige, must consume 30% life essence. This is the second time that he used ancestral sword, his creation world life essence, damages 60% greatly. He has not had the hesitation, does not have the regret. He is unable to understand Moe obsession such as he is unable to understand why he must kill Mosu. That obviously is the son who he most cherishes. Is his heaven-punishing crown prince, is his respect selected power and will inheritor. Even if Mosu breaks the taboo, crime undeserved of death, should not be he executes personally. You killed Mosu, harmed Chi Yuan, steals my daughter, at this moment, should to me. The Nishan mirthless smile, on the face of grey defeat brings hopeless dejected, begins. Moe opens the mouth, sound pale such as in cloud light smoke, I, although the heart hates in you, does not have reason to kill you. Here, Nishan smiles lowly, counter you, correct path, the person, Vertical is your use as the biological zone of concern and hope. You may execution of personally no leeway, let alone my so counter your person. The storm rolled up and pushed along Moe several wisps of long hair, hits in the face, plunders several points of deep hidden grief. Moe has not lifted the sword, body has not exuded any aura. For a long time, he opens the mouth slowly, is actually a Nishan completely strange intonation. Nishan, you may know, I until now envying how in you. Nishan, primogenitor goddess gives in your god name to have, counter, character, gives your personality is like that free and easy uninhibited, unrestrained. You are never willing any to have the rule to tie up, again and again goes reverse, to change these in your opinion to be stodgy, the absurd, unfair, wrong rule and present situation. The world needs your such creation god. The evolution because of the world, alternation of era needs unceasing changing, needs again and again to eradicate the obsolete rule, eliminates each era dirty silt and shackles. The world from a piece of Hu Wang Ji Bareness, prosperous of myriad spirits 10,000 realms, then experienced the innumerable revisions and changes until now. Nishan looks at Moe, perhaps he is unable to believe, these words stem from the mouth of Moe unexpectedly. The world needs some people to go to change unceasingly. Moe also looks at Nishan, but similarly needs some people to defend stubbornly. Therefore, Nishan makes noise deeply. Gods and devils cannot accommodate, is you must defend stubbornly, doesn't accommodate any rule of touching. Even if Mosu, even if creation god and devil emperor, even if you must so damage life essence again, must eliminate it certainly. Compares puzzled, in the god pupil of Moe does not have the mighty waves in Nishan's sad heart, anger and soul war casualty, just like stagnant water. Also or, is the wound extremely and not sad? He opens the mouth. World minute share lives to extinguish, estranged yin yang ways, various worlds safe and calm. First ancestor creates the world, basis on, balanced, begins in the balance. The people are not balanced, take a step to limb, the world is not balanced, will fall down inevitably. Therefore, at the beginning of the world is 4 great creation gods and 4 big devil emperor, rather than 8 big creation god, or 8 big devil emperor. The heaven punishing god emperor surface does not have the facial expression, nearly wooden was telling words that never mentioned. From ancient to present, the gods and devils 2 clans all are this world 2 exists high, may easily determine the heaven's 10,000 realms destiny. The gods and devils slightly calamity, in Jushi is actually the disaster that is drowned. Various gods and devils 2 clan arrogant sides, repulse to make, form for a long time ways. The world all are all variable, only this balanced, does not allow, to touch, the wound. The disaster violent rests gradually, slow god down space crackling. In the world, only 2 big creation god soul are trembling the wind and cloud of the world. Nishan voiced sound pushes to Moe the storm, your only knowledge repulses to make. But merge, is another type better ways. You said right, merge, perhaps is better ways. In the Nishan cognition incorrigibly obstinate Moe, gives the echo that he approved forever unexpectedly. But, any big change, must begin in the probe of negligible place, touching off to clan the idle talk so involves the world's safety. Can be the god creates the world and demon creates mortal of the world, either can be end playing god and devil, but cannot be your Nishan, cannot be heaven smiting devil emperor, cannot be the child of my Moe. Nishan pupil light had the temporary stagnation. He detected that oneself soul is touching unexpectedly. Even so, brief 4 characters, show him not to overrule the word of Moe completely, uy to Mosu, to oneself so ruthlessly certainly. Moe had the movement finally, his arm tune, hung the place heaven punishing ancestral sword slowly horizontally before the body. 4 creation god, 4 devil emperor, are the world the highest plane life but the body has not received highest plane power. Power of peak world carries to receive in heaven punishing ancestral sword, with evil infant's wheel of myriad tribulations. Nishan, he is calling the name of elemental creation god lightly, not hate sadly, not the resentment does not have the wound, you may know, have them of strength of say way extremely, why will be given, heaven punishing, and, all generations, so ominous name. Hesh do ek 5 wrong. In the world, the matter beyond rare creation god cognition. But, heaven punishing ancestral sword and evil infant's wheel of myriad tribulations why in the name of heaven punishing and all generations world is doomed no one to know including creating world emperor god and devil. Because primogenitor goddess has passed, no one may estimate his heart. But the word of Moe. Do you know, the dawn unexpectedly. Nishan and Moe once think, oneself is this world most understands the person of opposite party. Nishan once to the Mosu word, your family that old stick in the mud mouth moves each time. I know that he then must put what creation god fart, oh right, actually creation god will also break wind, your family old stick in the mud must come on average every 100,000 years 6 times. Did you say Lee Suo? Fart. How could on Lee Suo this grade of god the immortal and other cause gods with me is generally spoken. Believes me to lose in life god haul your boy now. But, he and Moe as acquainted being together dear friends so long years, actually never listens to him to mention this matter half character. Moe by him just like the spoken language of stagnant water, said the truth that world only he knew as before, the primogenitor goddess big life in the nihility, she created profound strength in the long years, created the rule, created the outline of the world, created the life initial appearance, until reading of complete creation world, but wants to create the world, must first extinguish oneself. But is pregnant born in primogenitor goddess of nihility, her creation world has no reference, is unable to forecast its trend with the future, if twists, collapses to extinguish, her who the body extinguishes is also doomed unable to interfere and change. Therefore, before heavy return to void does not have, primogenitor goddess left behind to the revision. Repairs positively. This is often in world again ordinary two characters, but related to primogenitor goddess, related to creating the beginning of the world, these two characters are hidden releasing make the person's soul tremble invisible anxious. The first revision, primogenitor goddess gives the extremely yang strength, gives its heavy thick wisdom the old man's spirit square, names as heaven punishing ancestral sword. The second revision, primogenitor goddess gives the strength of its extreme yin, gives it purely to net young child linge, names as evil infant's wheel of myriad tribulations. The storm stagnation of God realm of absolute beginning, the even including space also stopped trembling. The shape and calamity sound of calamity extinguished completely, in the world, resounds the heart fierce beat voiced sound, it shakes like the thunder. The heaven punishing ancestral sword mission, is monitors the world rule the stability and balanced, is in the world cognition, heaven's way. If heaven's way is chaotic, principle must collapse, world calamity endless, until finally falls down. Heaven punishing ancestral sword, heaven punishing, two characters always the non-world thinks its prestige may heaven punishing extinguish, the meaning but is exterminates heaven's way. If heaven's way counter chaotic, heaven punishing ancestral sword will release the prestige of it extremely say way. The heaven's way annihilation, making the world remold heaven's way, remolds principle, suppresses falling down of the world. But, Nishan, you should understand, if heaven's way extinguishes, principle completely collapses, returns safe and sound in us, in Jushi myriad spirits, is actually the inexhaustible distress. When heaven's way and principle remold, the world also inevitably no longer was once world. However the world of present, heaven's way biggest maintenance, support, equilibrant, are the gods and devils two clans. Uddharan Chinna ... Uddharan Chinna. Nishan for a long time is startled, is unable to say a word, only has the beat of his heart to be even more fierce. Moe continued, since world multiplication is endless hold. Among the endless years, the ancestral sword spirit has the sentiment to the world, but so the sentiment is actually doomed unable to dominate the inscription grants its mission in primogenitor goddess. He hangs the eye, is looking at the ancient bronze's big sword in hand, that pale in vision and facial expression, such as a facing an intimate old friend. Ancestral sword spirit in me, Master EU, it informed my it to save the mission that the world the reason and shouldered finally on the honest. It told me, even if powerful like primogenitor goddess, is unable to forecast the development of the world finally. If primogenitor goddess consciousness according to old stock world, facing such world, vertical heaven's way counter chaotic, decides however does not endure not to execute remolding. When ancestral sword said this word spirit, has the fear. It feared, if one day, Heaven's Way takes seriously counter-chaotically, the mission will dominate in its will surely, wields a heaven-punishing sword. Therefore, after informing all my, it chose, self-destroying. The sword is the kind teacher. The sword is the old friend, has not actually been able again the relative phase word. Except for Moe, no one knows. In heaven punishing ancestral sword, does not have sword spirit, only has to preserve final ancestral sword prestige. I once asked it, do the gods and devils two clans have an accommodating possibility? It told me, god race and devil race, such as hung both sides of the world balance. Mutually is the repel, mutually is the diversion, mutually for balanced. It looks over the innumerable era changes, is weighing because of the mutual enemies of these two holding the sky giants mutually, only then long time each one as the league, with heart foreign, from vanishing civil strife. If two clans fuse, was equivalent to two clans that held up the world to lose only some to impede. From this will derive anything, is unable to forecast. But, is unable to deny surely, will have balanced break, the heaven's way counter chaotic possibility. Moreover, this possibility is extremely huge. Greatly to ancestral sword spirit unacceptable. Therefore, before it chooses self-destroying, only the requests, it wants me to swear, so long as I save the world on the first, cannot break the gods and devils two clans wade. So long as this queen saves, heaven's way never may be chaotic. Bang, knee heavily that Ni Shan partly supports hangs. This oath, how I should not, how is also not. Moe muttered, because of heaven punishing, two characters is its sword name, is my god name. My mission, in me by creates the day, had then been carved into my divine soul firmly, my flesh and blood. The chilly wind gets up suddenly, this time, brought each uncombed hair of heaven punishing god emperor. But, why can be my only good friend, why can be the son who I most cherish? His voiced sound, does not bring a grief as before. Because the pain is not extremely sad, sad extreme does not have the tears. Is I, this world too is not only able to prevent the person. His soft murmuring, in your divine soul is carving rivers, if I interfere only will be more violent your counter soul, only his heaven smiting devil emperor sends into exile, forever will break this system. The Mosu personality is seemingly soft weak, in the bone is actually profound the extreme fearful abstinence, to recognize matter reckless uses all, forever will not have the possibility of cutting off, I only have him execute personally. He hates oneself, hates Ni Shan, in the past, I let his as your light 1,000 years, cultivating breaking heaven's sword was the time, by your reduced and solved biased it's along with the nature is the principal factor, that unexpectedly is my life, the biggest mistake read. The 5 fingers of Ni Shan deeply fall into the blood-stained the land, the whole body innumerable wounds, is actually not able to make him feel a pain. That pair of originally is overflowing forever the happy expression and free and easy God, at this moment unexpectedly is vacant of chilly pain. Mission that heaven punishing ancestral sword and evil infant's wheel of myriad tribulations have, without doubt as this world most fearful truth. But Moya is the person of only knowing, this innumerable years, he shoulders alone, never told anyone, because vertical was creation God, knew this truth, will be pressed to tie up the life, was hard to pun for breath. No wonder, as first creation God he, actually the lifetime defends stubbornly oneself saying that never oversteps one's authority, nearly overcautious. Finally, Ni Shan sent out compared with previously also wanted dry several times voiced sound, told me if the heaven punishing ancestral sword mission, were remolding of heaven's way, that evil infant's wheel of myriad tribulations mission, what was also? Moe opens the mouth, short 5 characters, humane purification. Uddharan chinh ... Uddharan chinh. Ni Shan whole body bloodstream quick stoppage. Evil, spirit square, situated in wickedness and agonic side. Takes young infant as the initial spirit, too pure to only, can thus the incomparably direct receive, sensation from the world positive or wicked. If she in the world obtained many a to love good, she will cling to in world, protects in world, becomes the wheel of Sukyo. On the contrary, if she in the world obtained many are the wicked offense, then the world of her in the eyes is the dirt wicked world, thus lowers, all generations, the spirit of wash corrupt world. Moe wooden language. when ancestral sword spirit there knows all these, that side devil race has done wrongly, stupidest tour. Evil infant, is hard the automatic control child disposition. In addition she fearful power, making her make calamity repeatedly, if can give to contain, guide and shows loving concern for a long time, she will gradually melt body devil race, becomes the wheel of Sukyo. But, exceeds devil emperor, and not controllable power, making devil race give birth to enormous dreading, finally chose to use him to read young, tempted it to enter, coaxed him to sleep soundly, then gathered strength of all devil emperor and devil god, its eternal seal. That best seriously is the eternal seal. Otherwise, if she gets rid of the seal, it hates its offense, vertical as I, is unable to imagine can initiate how terrifying, all generations. Heaven punishing ancestral sword lets fall slowly, sends out plays the light sound. Moe turns around, back such as absolute beginning grey arched bleak, Nishan, your eye today a war, what decision is your daughter's destiny? But she creates the heresy that world emperor god and devil unifies to spread out, therefore, in any event, I must win, even victory non-military. He takes a step slowly, the heavy sword blade melts the scratch that gradually lengthens together in absolute beginning ground. His voiced sound, serious echo in the world of this changing color's absolute beginning. At this time, because, will bring what fruit, I am doomed unable to see. But at least, when I survive, the union of God and devil was hindered. I, heaven punishing God Emperor Moe, shame to Mosu, shame to oneself, shame regarding you, but, my shame too, heaven punishing God Emperor, the name, has not at least been contrary to the ancestral sword spirit pledge, has not disappointed the destiny that Sir Primogenitor Goddess gives. Uddharan Chinha. Wait, Nishan makes noise, he looks at Moe the far back, you also owe me a gambling stake. The Moe footsteps stagnate, the whole world as if sealed. Finally, the sealed world had the trend, Moe lifted the hand, the space break, dark green golden formation departed, falls on the Nishan body side. Above formation is pasting the creation god's strength, may distinguish shadow of the indistinct young girl vaguely. She can survive, but must erase all demons the ingredients, this is I, final making concessions. Nishan is shivering putting out a hand, touches to formation before body, grey dilapidated tears well up. Unexpectedly, he detected anything, losing one's voice low raw, you said that, is doomed unable to see, is what intent. Moe not in step, sound, if vast smoke, just now, I do not display the ancestral sword prestige for the second time. But is the third time. Nishan, exile heaven smiting devil emperor and its devil race, are the second time. Uddharan Chin ... Emotion wouldn't he, voiced sound had presented the instant stagnation for the first time, obviously, executes Mosu. Pan Ming's daughter is to rescue Mosu, by Pan Ming. Broken void mirror shuttle god realm of absolute beginning, comes in the side of Mosu. Regarding this I am prepared early, has not actually thought, her body, has them encounter will be unexpectedly. Too big to hide devil weapon. The dual blockades of space and time is unable to work loose by my strength. When Mosu will soon carry off by Pan Ming's daughter, I have to use heaven punishing ancestral sword. Nishan arm weak letting fall, close the eyes slowly. Use ancestral sword 3 times, 90% life essence buckles. With for Sir Primogenitor Goddess the spirit of creation, I destroys the body extermination of the clan heaven smiting devil emperor, the crime not amnesty, I by the fate, heaven punishing lineage queen will also break the inheritance forever. I hold because of oneself, murders the child personally, does not match for the father, does not match for the god, does not match the manner, does not match to muddle through life ignobly in world. He reviews, finally deep looked at Nishan one, this time leaves, does not have the period of meeting again. Takes care, my only good friend. His footsteps step, the cold wind had, in the long hair that had suddenly caught piece by piece snow white. Dark green grey world, only Nishan forms. Lover, good friends, brothers, faith, too wrong. He lifts the hand, the palm grasps in the face stubbornly, 5 fingers joint guns to 0.5 centimeter collapsing. Is actually not able to depress the sound of sobbing that overflows unceasingly as before. Life God Hall, he once complied with Geo and never see again. Goodbye creation god of life Lee Suo, never close to life God Hall. He went back on word. In the memory fragment, Lee Suo is actually piece of fuzzy phantom, is unable to see clearly her to lean the gods and devils era immortal to accommodate certainly. Perhaps, is he deliberately looks fuzzily to the line of sight of Lee Suo, by defense in the maximum degree, is not seeing the commitment of Lee Suo. Counter, profound. If is not elemental creation god aura alone, Lee Suo is unable to believe, this sully, the attire is ruined, the person of long hair hanging loose unexpectedly is Ni Shan. He obviously heaviest external, even including may a hair elegant direction will direct to control quietly. Ni Shan has not responded to her, he forwards gradually, every step is like that stiff heavy. In the hand, ice coffin, was laid aside by him in the place gently, inside, calmly is lying down a sleeping peacefully young girl, such as a fine peerless porcelain doll. Yu Che recognizes, that is Honor. Coffin of eternity, Lee Suo pronounces unstressed, is she? The daughter, opening and closing of Ni Shan lip is like that difficult, voiced sound is dry such as the metal rubs. Lee Suo is speechless for a very long time. I remold incomplete soul for her, but I am unable to let sword soul that her soul perfect compatibility, that say way must have particularly. Because her mother, heaven-smiting devil emperor has sword soul, is doomed her soul base its one is also being sword soul. Lee Suo, only has you, can achieve. Uddharan chin ... I understood. Lee Suo has not inquired about to, nods slightly. Thanks. His soft murmuring two characters decided looks at the young girl a while in coffin of eternity, then has turned around, is dragging the footsteps, walks wooden outward. Ni Shan, Lee Suo stops by calling him, you, how? Ni Shan sends out never belongs to elemental creation god voiced sound, I violated, big mistake. Wrong how, Lee Suo lightly said, you once said with a smile, the world will make mistakes all the life. So long as the heart source is not wicked, then does not need to tie up for wrong, but must correct with all one's heart makes up, by wrong awaking oneself, by more complete wrong. Ni Shan Nan said, that is because, some mistakes can be forgiven, some mistakes cannot be forgiven. Lee Suo was startled, console saying, regardless of God realm or lower realm, you are creation God that myriad spirits most respects, by clan of not its number your heavy graciousness. You keep various world the gracious favor, making them be willing to praise and 10,000 world. Creates, the world, the God. He pronounces unstressed this as being the incomparably familiar three characters, in pupil does not have the slight color, I do not match creation God, this world does not have. Elemental creation God again, Lee Suo, Ni Shan looks at the front, a look stretch of cavity, I make the catastrophe, not match too positively, I never, the heart sinks into wickedly, if I also match the has God name, that then said. Evil, God. From his body, creation god of life felt the extreme ash to sink, as well as extreme regret, extreme hated to own hate. The Ni Shan serious footsteps stopped suddenly. Lee Suo, he asked, has, by anybody is disturbed, to soothe the place that sleeps peacefully. Each character, is Hassan exhausted like that, is away from the dimension and years. Even Yu Che can distinguish Ni Shan clearly to the reality, to the pain of destiny with awaiting. The feeling of Lee Suo, wants seriously Yu Che 1,000 times of 10,000 times without doubt, she has not advised, only easily speaks, South Territory, the day ocean tower bottom, do you, how long want to sleep soundly? Ni Shan said, does not know. Perhaps 1 million year, 10 million years, are willing to wake up until my consciousness, or will never wake up. Lee Suo, my daughter, untrusts in you, seeks a suitable status and turning over to place for her. Do not tell her the life experience, only hope her life worry-free, enjoys peacefully. Is only this graciousness, is hard for the report. He has turned the head, the lip angle pulls him slightly diligently and wants to show the happy expression, the expression gratitude makes one also to calculate the dignified farewell. But, the innumerable years, forever are he of joyful face, are unable to show the happy expression, as if to put behind unexpectedly again how smile.